We have potentially dangerous fire weather conditions developing this weekend across Victoria, Tasmania, South Australia, and New South Wales. The vegetation in these regions is dry. We've received less than a fifth of the rain we usually get across the months of January, February, and March for parts of the Mallee and the Wimmera region. And in turn, the vegetation in these areas has dried out or cured, and that makes a lot of vegetation available for bushfires to burn through. And on top of that, we haven't seen any rain in the last week across much of New South Wales, west of the Divide, eastern Tasmania, and South Australia as well. And these areas also expected to heat up. Now, today's fire danger on screen, we see areas of very high fire danger in western South Australia. But as we see this trough move further to the east, northerly winds from the interior continental air mass drawing that heat down to the southeast. This red shading there is temperatures in excess of 40 degrees, with temperatures in the mid to high 30s expected throughout much of Victoria on Saturday, and the high 20s throughout Tasmania, high 30s to 40s in South Australia and western parts of New South Wales. That combined with gusty and dry winds has elevated fire danger to severe across much of central and western Victoria, including the central district of Victoria, the Mallee, the Wimmera, down to the southwest, upper and lower southeast, Mount Lofty ranges, and also the mid-north and the Flinders region of South Australia. And that means there'll be total fire bans in place for these regions as well. And as we go into Sunday, a gusty cool change will roll over the southeast. It'll expect it to hit central parts of Victoria during the mid-morning. But New South Wales then becomes the focus of the fire danger. We are on track to see heat not seen in autumn for 14 years for parts of the Hunter, Illawarra, and Sydney region, where we've already seen fire danger elevated to severe for some of these areas and also very high. Now, that gusty cool change, unfortunately, will be a dry change. No showers or even storms expected along most of that change, and so it'll just be a shift in wind direction, which means when fires are starting and they're burning, and then you get a wind change coming through, a gusty wind change, that could cause a fire to start burning rapidly in a different direction. Now, that wind change expected towards the afternoon and evening for central New South Wales. Behind it, cooler air will develop. It'll still be quite gusty across Tasmania and Victoria, but those temperatures will drop, and as a result, the fire danger will drop into Monday as well.